major honor for me, not just because I'm being honored, but because I'm being honored by the Michigan Chronicle, which meant so much to me in my early years. It's the first job I had.
In the news.
To have the opportunity to celebrate people like the wonderful, the masterful, the Motown originator, Mr. Berry Gordy, as well as Mr. Mike Duggan and Bishop P.A. Brooks and several others, it's an absolute privilege.
Berry Gordy and Motown not only gave us music to laugh and love and dance by, but it's music that changed the world. So I'm very excited to be able to salute him this evening.
We all remember the Motown sound, but I remember the family, and I remember what they meant so much to the community back when I was a kid. So I just really come out here to pay homage to Berry Gordy and the Gordy family.
While Star Commonwealth is being recognized, I really think this is about recognizing children and the great hope for children and all that we can do together.
The first award I've gotten since the election, and it's great to get it from an institution with such a storied history in this community as the Michigan Chronicle.
I am honored and humbled beyond measure, and I think it's primarily because of the honorees that I'm sharing these awards with. They have been, my mentors. They have been icons in the community.
The black press has been there for 200 years. The black press and the black church, hand in hand, telling positive stories about black people doing wonderful things. And that's why I always say that I have the best job in the world, Mr. Gordy. I go around and I tell people great news about black people.
Passion is a wonderful thing to have. When you're blessed to have passion at an early age, it is so wonderful for your life. Many people in the Motown stable had passion at an early age. Stevie Wonder's one, and of course Michael Jackson. Their first 4 records went to #1, and that created the historical record that has not been broken, that any group's first 4 records go to #1. So Michael got a great passion from that, and he told me, I want to duplicate that. I want to be the greatest entertainer in the world. And he did become that.
In the news.